In today's class, we will learn about how to solve the problems using the laws of exponents. We have learnt the laws in the previous class. I have listed it out for you people. A to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. A to the power minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power m. A to the power m whole to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. A to the power 1 is a to the power 0 is 1, a to the power m into b to the power m is equals to a into b whole to the power m. A to the power m divided by b to the power m is equals to a by b whole to the power m. These are all true conditions and applicable in both the ways, from left to right and right to left, where a, b, m, n are integers. We have to keep these all formulas in your mind. Let us go through the examples. Example 1. Simplify and express the answer in positive exponential form. ಸುಲಭೀಕರಿಸಿ ಘಾತಾಂಕ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ. 2 square the cube into 3 to the power 6 whole multiplied by 5 to the power 6. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 square the cube ಅನ್ನೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ a to the power m whole to the power n ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಬಳಸ್ಬೋದು. ಆಗ a to the power m into n ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 2 to the power 2 into 3 into 3 to the power 6 in whole to the power whole multiplied by 5 to the power 6. Once again, when we have checked it, we got like 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 6. So it reduces to 2 into 3 into 5 whole to the power 6. So 30 to the power 6. The exponent law used here is a to the power m into b to the power m is equals to a into b whole to the power m. Here they are asking in the exponential form, so 30 to the power 6 is the answer. Here let us go to the second example. There is no condition that in each and every problem there will be all the formulas. We have to choose the formulas wisely to get the answer in the quicker steps and lesser period of time. ಇದೊಂದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇವೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೂ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭಕ್ಕೆ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೂ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ -3 to the power 20 divided by -3 to the power 15 whole multiplied by -3 to the power -2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ a to the power m divided by a to the power n ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ a to the power m minus n ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. ಆಗೇನಾಯ್ತು, -3 to the power 20 minus 15. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ 20 minus 15 we get as 5. So -3 to the power 5 into -3 to the power -2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಯಾವುದೇ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು m ಮತ್ತೆ n. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ a to the power m into a to the power n ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು. a to the power m into a to the power n. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ -3 to the power 5 plus -2 ಏನಾಯ್ತು -3 ದ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಯ್ತು. 5 minus 2 is 3. Integers, like integers, we will solve it here. Here we have made use of these two formulas and expressed the answer in the exponential form. Let us go to the next example. Check here. Minus 3 to the power 4 into 5 by 3 whole to the power 4. Here, like a into b whole to the power m is equals to a to the power m into b to the power m. If we take like this for the minus 3 to the power 4, and we will take a by b whole to the power m equals to a to the power m by b to the power m. Like this way, 5 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4, it will happen. So minus 1 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4, 5 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4. This 3 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 4 are the same exponented, same based numbers. So these can be cancelled it out, or I can apply the formula also. Minus 1 to the power 4 is plus 1 because even times the power is for minus 1. So plus 1 into 3 to the power 4 minus 4 into 5 to the power 4. 3 to the power 0 is 1. A to the power 0 is 1. Means 3 to the power 0 is 1. 5 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 0 is 1 into 5 to the power 4. So we get 5 to the power 4. Check here. We have simplified in the easier steps. We have made use of the formula a by b whole to the power m equals to a to the power m by b to the power m, and this a into b whole to the power m formula. So we got the answer directly, easily as 5 to the power 4. Choose the formulas wisely. Only the thing you have to keep in the mind is you have to think of the formula which will be applicable for the situation. ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನು ನೆನಪಿರಬೇಕು, ಆದರೆ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಅಥವಾ ಸಂಕ್ಷೇಪಿಸಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. 12 to the power 4 into 9 cube into 4, 6 cube into 8 square into 27. ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ಡ್ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ. ನೋಡಿ 12 to the power 4 ಇರೋದೇನಾಯ್ತು, 12 ಅಂದ್ರೇನೆ 2 square into 3. 2 square into 3 to the power 4. Because 12 to the power 4 is asked. 9 means 3 square. So 3 square the cube it happened. 4 means 2 square. 2 square it is considered. 6 means 2 into 3. So what we have to take 2 3 to the power cube because 6 cube was asked. Like this, that way. 8 square. What happens for 8 square? 8 square is 2 cube the square. And 27. 27 means 3 cube. Like that way we have to choose it. And what happened? I have to apply the formulas. 2 square to the power 4 and 3 to the power 4 it will split into. 2 square to the power 4 I have taken directly as 4 to is 8 to. So 2 to the power 8 I got. And 3 to the power 4. Once again 3 to the power 3 square to the cube, 3 square the cube reduces to 3 to the power 6 because 2 3s is 6. A to the power m whole to the power n formula I have applied here. Now 2 square. Yes. This is a into b whole to the power m like. So a to the power m into b to the power m I have to consider here. And here a to the power m whole to the power n like sir. So a to the power m into n like that I have to consider. 3 cube is 3 cube. Now what we will do is in the numerator we will take the 2 based numbers together and 3 based numbers together. In the denominator also we will take 2 based numbers together and 3 based numbers together because in the multiplication commutativity we can consider it. So what happened? 2 to the power 8 into 2 square is 2 to the power 8 plus 2. 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 6 is 3 to the power 4 plus 6. 2 cube into 2 to the power 6 is 2 to the power 3 plus 6. 3 cube into 3 cube is 3 to the power 3 plus 3. Here a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n formula is chosen. to simplify in the lesser steps. So what happened? 2 to the power 8 plus 2 is 2 to the power 10, and 2 to the power 3 plus 6 is 2 to the power 9. See, with the two based numbers, I have chosen a to the power m divided by, it is in the denominator means it is dividing one only. 2 to the power a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. So 10 minus 9 we got here. And here also 3 to the power 4 plus 6 means it will be 10. 3 to the power 3 plus 3 means it will be 6. A to the power m divided by a to the power n. Like such we will take here. What happened? A to the power m minus n. So 3 to the power 10 minus 6. We got like 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 4. This is the simplest form in the exponential format. This is the answer for the question here. Check here how many bigger numbers were there. And exponent was also there. We have simplified using required exponent laws and we got this answer at the last. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳಿದ್ವು. ನಾವಿನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಪ್ರತಿ ಕಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾಗವಾಗುವಂತಹ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳದ್ದು ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಅಪವರ್ತನಗಳ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಲಾ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಗತ್ಯ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ. a ಇಂಟು ಬಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎಂ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎಂ ಇಂಟು ಬಿ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎಂ ಬಳಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎಂ ಹೋಲ್ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎಂ ಇಂಟು ಎನ್ ಬಳಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎಂ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎಂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್ ಬಳಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎಂ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎಂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಬಳಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಹೀಗೆ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆಯಾ ಲೆಕ್ಕದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವು ಬದಲಿ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಸೂಕ್ತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೀ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ ಉಂಟು ಹೇಗೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕೀ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡಿ. While simplifying, keep in the mind that base should be reduced to prime numbers and exponent to least positive number. ಸಂಕ್ಷೇಪಿಸುವಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯ ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಆಗುವಂತೆ, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಘಾತವು ಅತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಧನ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಆಗುವಂತೆ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಬೇಕು. Base should be smallest prime and exponent also should be least positive number. ನೋಡೋಣ, ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅದೇ ತರದ್ದು. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ 3 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 5 into 25 whole divided by 5 to the power 7 into 6 to the power 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 25 ಅನ್ನೋದು 10 ಅನ್ನೋದು 6 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು, ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲದ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು. 3 ಮತ್ತೆ 5 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಆಗೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಬದಲಾಯಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. 10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 into 5, 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 into 3, 25 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ನಾನು ಎ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎಂ ಇಂಟು ಬಿ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎಂ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಬಿ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎಂ ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆಗೇನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, 3 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5, 5 to the power 5 and into 5 square, 5 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5 ಆಯ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಒಂಜ ಅಂತ ಕಡ್ತಾ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಆಗ ಏನ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ 5 to the power 5 into 5 square divided by 5 to the power 7 ಉಳಿತು. ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪುನಃ ಎ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎಂ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎನ್ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 5 to the power 5 plus 2 divided by 5 to the power 7 ಆಯ್ತು. ಎ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎಂ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎನ್ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು. ಎ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎಂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ 5 to the power 0 ಆಯ್ತು. ಇದರ ಉತ್ತರ 1. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆದರೆ ಕೊನೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಬಂದಿರೋದು 1 ಆಯ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಈಸಿ ಆಗೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲು ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಮನ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕಡತ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕನ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಸಾಕಾಯ್ತು, ಸಮಯನೂ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಸಾಕಾಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2 into 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 5, 9 into 4 square. This 9 is taken 3 square. For the 4, I will take 2 square. Exponent laws are applied. 2 into to the power 1 into 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 2 into 2 is 4. I have considered all the 2 based 1 together and 3 based 1 together. 3 to the power 4 by 3 square it is. 5 plus 1 is 6. So a to the power m divided by a to the power n, like this it will be. So a to the power m minus n. 6 minus 4 it will get. 3 to the power 4 minus 2. It means 2 I will get. 2 square into 3 square it is. It means that a to the power m into a to the power b to the power m. So a into b to the power m, that is 6 square. They are asking to find the value. So 6 square value I will take. That is 36. First we will take the prime factorization and then we will solve for the exponent loss. And see, after the simplification, if they ask for the value, we have to find the value like this. Next, let us go to the simple problem. 1 mark problem it is. You may see here 3 to the power minus 1, 4 to the power minus 1, 5 to the power minus 1 they have given. But at the ultimate, they have given the exponent as 0. Any number to the exponent is 0. So, the value is only 1. See next problem. Find the value of 3 to the power 0, 4 to the power minus 1 into 2 square. 4 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 4. 1 plus 1 by 4 into 4. That is 1 plus 1 by 4 is 5 by 4. So into 4. Outside it is multiplying. So 4 ones are 4 ones. If you cancel it out, it is 5. Here no need of exponent laws completely. Here only one exponent law is used. A to the power minus m is 1 by a to the power m. And other values we have directly taken for simplification. A to the power minus m is 1 by a to the power m. Only that one using is enough for this problem. Let us go to the next problem. We have to keep in the mind that not only for the numbers, even for the variables, we can apply the exponent laws to solve the problems. 25, here like that question is given. Example 7, simplify 25 into 5 square into t to the power 8 whole divided by 10 cube into t to the power 4. So 25 is 5 square. Already 5 square is given. 10 cube means 2 into 5 to the power cube it will be. So when it is simplified, 5 to the power 2 plus 2 it will be. 2 cube into 5 cube. So when simplest form as 5 together and 2 together is taken, 1 by 2 cube into 5 to the power 4 minus 3. 5 a to the power m by a to the power n, like such it is. So t to the power 8 minus 4. So answer reduces to 5 into t to the power 4 divided by 2 cube. And the last problem we will say, example 8. 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 is equals to 5 to the power 5 is given. Find the value of m here. 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 implies that a to the power m divided by a to the power n. So a to the power m minus n we have to take. That means 5 to the power m minus of minus 3 was the exponent. So minus of minus 3 it will be. So it means that 5 to the power m plus 3. 5 to the power m plus 3 equal to 5 to the power 5. Since equality is given and base numbers are same, m plus 3 value is 5. Since bases are same and equality is in between, exponents are equal, it implies that. So m plus 3 is equals to 5. That means that m is 5 minus 3. That's equal to 2. So always keep in the mind that we have to choose the formulas wisely and easier steps we have to take.